All right, guys, I am so excited this morning. This is Kadeen Allen, and Kadeen posted a picture of her daughter on Culture Day with a caption that melted my heart. And every time I think about it, I feel like I want to cry. That's Kai, and Kai, Kadeen, you tell the story, because I get choked up when I talk about it.
All right, so on Friday, March 1, Jessie Paul Primary celebrated Culture Day. And she, along with other members of her class, got an assignment which asked that they write about an outstanding Jamaican personality in media, music, or sports. And it should be a paragraph. And in addition to writing about that individual, students should indicate what attributes they possess that contribute to nation building. And of course, having had dialogue with her, I said, Kai, what are you going to write about? Who are you going to write about? And she was unsure. After several days, she said, Mommy, media is about television and radio, right? She said, I said, yes, baby. She said, I know who I want to write about. And I said, who are you going to write about? I need to write about Simone. I'm like, okay, so what are you going to write about? So we had a conversation, and she said, well, I know she's a funny co-host, and I wish I could see her every morning on Smile Jamaica. And then the conversation went on, what else does Simone do with her life? If she only works on television? And I said, no, baby, Simone works with Grace Kennedy. And she's like, that building that we passed when you're picking me up from school? I'm like, yes, baby. So, of course, there were several times she said, Mommy, can you go over there and say hi to Simone? I'm like, baby, we can't just show up like that because it's her job. And we may go there and she's not even there. And that paragraph was actually written the morning that it was due. We actually sat in the car park at Jessie Paul.
Did she write that by herself?
She did.
No way.
We had a conversation. She indicated what it is that she wanted to write about. And I assisted her with the structure.
Okay.
But they're all her words.
All right. So can we put up the post? I'm not crying, guys. You're crying. There are onions in here. Can you put up the post for me, Kay? So we can look at it again. I saw it on the day it was posted, Kadeen, and let me tell you something. I was so moved. I can't even read. I wanted to be able to read the text.
You want me to read it for you?
Yes. Yes.
Right. It says, at Clark Cooper, you do no wrong for my daughter. Hashtag, in her words, hashtag beyond proud. Hashtag she wants to meet you.
Yeah.
Hashtag Culture Day.
Yeah. So on that post, of course, there's a picture, and she spoke about everything that you just said, and
then some.
And then some.
Yes.
She talked about vocal coaching, so
Yes.
you guys did some research, and said that I think she categorized the hero status because vocal coaching builds confidence, and confidence builds nation building, and she's here. Come here, don't walk fast, and she's doing. Oh, good morning, Kai. How are you?
Okay.
It is such a pleasure to meet you. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much.
Simone, you're
Auntie's
making
happy
me
to be. I'm not going to cry. Have a seat, Mama. As a matter of fact, come sit down beside. So, you are a Jessie student.
Yes.
And you are how old?
I am 8 years old.
Okay, so tell me about the project you got at school, and why did you write about Auntie?
I wrote about you because in the morning when I'm getting ready for school, I always see on the television. I always act so confident, and when I run, when people I meet, I'm always very shy.
You are shy? No. Okay. Look up. Aunties, remember vocal coaching, right? Builds confidence. Yeah. Tell me about yourself. Tell Jamaica about yourself. You're 8 years old. What grade are you in?
I'm in grade 3 primary.
And what are some of the things that you enjoy doing outside of watching Smile Jamaica?
I like to watch TV. I like to jump. I like to jump rope.
You like to jump rope?
Yes.
Your mommy did a fantastic thing. What do you have in your folder? Okay. Oh, this, and you got 10 out of 10. Go Kai, go Kai. Okay, so Kai brought the homework that mommy helped her with. Do you want to read it? Can you read it for us? Let me hear.
I chose Simone Clark Cooper as an outstanding Jamaican personality in media. She is one of the co-hosts on Smile Jamaica on TVJ. She is a funny co-host. She is very confident and is never afraid to say what is on her mind. She is a charming co-host and I wish I could see her every morning. She is also a vocal coach. I believe being a vocal coach contributes to nation building because she helps people to be more confident when they speak.
Okay, thank you for that. Kadeen, thank you for posting it.
Thank you.
Kai is here this morning. We'll have to go to break, but I want to say that vocal coaching is something that I've been doing for a long time. And I realize the confidence that it really can instill because I've seen it happen. And so I'm going to actually start a vocal coaching club for kids.
Nice.
And I would like for Kai to be my first student, if
Absolutely.
that's okay with you.
I have no
Kai?
problem with that.
Okay, that's cool?
Yes.
That's cool?
Yes.
Let's do it! Nice to meet you. Thank you. We have to take a break on Smile, guys, but we'll be back in a minute. Thank you, Kayon. I appreciate you doing this. Thank you, Mommy. Nice to meet you, Mama. Soon come back.